From our PD newsroom, it's Easter weekend, and at Florence Motor Speedway, drivers spent the day hunting for trophies instead of eggs. News 13's Jack Bilyeu shows us how they managed to put on their Easter race despite not-so-friendly weather and an ongoing tire shortage.
All through the morning, trucks dragged massive tires around the racetrack to dry it off.
Last night we went to bed and there was a 98% chance of hail and gusty winds, and then we wake up and there's only a 30%, but it's changed again and it's rained, so I think we're in the clear now. The
morning rain meant the day's schedule had to be adjusted, but promoter Steve Zacharias says he's learned to roll with the punches during his 11 years in the industry.
You got guys coming in from out of town, so you just making the decision on, do you pull the plug altogether or do you pull it off?
Racers like Jaden Bowling, who drove down from North Carolina, say they weren't about to let the rain stop them from taking to the track.
I love it. It's the adrenaline, the pressure, and most importantly, the competition.
Bowling was the North Carolina Young Lions state champion in dirt racing last year. He says this year he's focusing on asphalt racing and competing as a semi-pro for the first time. He says he can't think of a better way to celebrate the holiday weekend than surrounded by his family at the racetrack.
And tomorrow we might go out and, go to church in the morning and do a couple Easter things, but Saturday, that's our time.
Zacharias says about 60 racers came out to compete, and getting them all outfitted was a struggle. He says he now has only 2 racing tires left due to a shortage he first encountered last season.
Hopefully next year, I don't think it'll be this year, but next year we'll be better off and we don't have to worry about it.
He says in the nearly 2 years since the business moved from Myrtle Beach to Timmonsville, much of his effort has been focused on renovating the track, which was built in the 80s. Those renovations are now almost finished, and he's excited for racing fans to see the updated facilities.
We want everyone to come enjoy Easter here and then enjoy actually Easter tomorrow.
Jack Bilyeu, News 13.